Oh, great, great.
How are you?
I'm also good, buddy.
So how's the training going, sir?
Yeah, training is good. But yeah, it's 4 hours is very lengthy.
Lengthy in the sense, sir?
Like I need some break, in a half an hour at least.
So you didn't take yesterday any break?
Only 5 minutes or 10 minutes I have taken.
You can take two break of 10 minutes each. It'll reduce the burden.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah.
You can take 10-minute breaks.
I'll take, yeah, yeah, sure.
Yes, it will helpful for her also.
Yes, sure.
And sir, please ensure to start this recording.
Yeah, yeah.
You can start right now.
Okay. Thanks. Hey,
Good
hi.
morning.
Good morning. Hi, Dennis. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thanks for asking.
Yeah. Now I'm not hearing you.
Not able to hear me.
Oh, now I can. It's like words dropped. Sometimes that happens.
Okay, okay. So I'm good. Thanks for asking.
Yes.
So
So,
how was the last session? Did you learn something?
I think I did. I learned that selectors can be really complicated. I also changed, as part of the exercise, I actually went to baby bibs.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Yeah, I did do it simply by changing oh, I did do it simply by changing to Essentials Analog Silver Dial Men's Watch, but then
Mhm,
I also did the child. So when I ran, it was kind of funny. The one that we ran first, I
mhm.
mean, I can run it. I
Yeah,
can show you. It was
yeah,
it
yeah.
was interesting what would happen. So let me share my page.
Sure, sure.
Um, let's see. Okay. So I'm gonna run this one. Haven't run anything yet today. We'll see what happens. Ought to be okay.
Mhm.
Ooh,
NPX Cypress open now?
yeah, wait a second. NPM run CY open.
No, just put
Oh, oh,
NPX.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry. I was running some other stuff earlier
Mhm.
for a
Okay.
different project. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, there you go. Mhm. Wait, specify configs. Huh, it didn't like it. Let me try it again. Did I mistype something?
NPX Cypress open.
Yeah. Oops. I should know what I'm typing. Getting a slow start. Aha.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. I'll run the one that I had just changed. Let's go over here. I made this is big. Um, so this one was interesting because sometimes the 3 out of 4 would pass and sometimes 4 out of 4. And for a while it was like, and I'm sorry, the one before I changed it, for a while it was like every other one. So I don't know if it's what they call a flaky test or something or a state that it ends on. If
Mhm,
this were something I was doing for my company, I would try to figure it out more, but it
mhm.
just seemed like it was weird. See, this passes, so
Yeah, it passes all. Yeah.
yeah, so 3 or
Yeah.
it had been doing 3 out of 4 with that other one, and I don't know why.
Might
Um,
be. See, the reason is like you stay right. Your location is US, correct? And the
Well, what
website,
I did, I was using IN. I am using IN.
yeah, it's
So I
India. That's
don't
the reason. Yeah.
so I don't understand why, but let's try to run this one here, the one where I did the baby bibs.
Okay.
And I also did it in India because, because you said it was the second tab, and I know, the other tab opening, and I know how hard it can be to try to make stuff work in
Mhm.
Cypress. So I appreciate that you provide a solution for that. See,
Okay.
this
Uh,
one, oh, this one talks about a delay. This is different. It had been running.
yeah,
Yeah,
it's
because
a
the element detached from the DOM. That's the thing that we
yeah,
were
it's a
getting.
exceptional error. Yeah, but your test case is like is working fine.
Yeah, right. Like I said, if for some reason it was something that we were doing here,
Mhm.
like at some point we'll talk about the test executions for students, then I would try to make sure that it would that it wouldn't do that, right? But
Yeah.
it seems like now that I'm touching stuff, then it starts running again, here.
Mhm.
But see that I just touched something. So I'm probably gonna just kill this. And I did a tiny bit of research on Mocha
Okay.
Awesome,
Okay.
about report writers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dennis, can you just do one thing in this scenario? Just can you just add the add to cart button?
You want me to go to scripts?
Yeah. Yeah. Just click that add to cart using script.
Oh, within here
You can do here a script
or
as well
just in
as
here? You
you
want me
can
to do it?
yeah you can do manually. Yeah, manually, no problem. Okay, it's add to
The,
cart.
the,
Okay.
so it was added. Okay.
Yeah, it was added. Yeah. So you can just also you add this scenario in your test case. Then what happen if you click on add to cart?
Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, now it's running
Yeah, correct.
here.
Yeah, this one is APIs, XHR, post APIs.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay. Add to cart button. Okay.
Today will can we start a new one today?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
So
So we're going to scripting, right? Is it okay if I kill this so it
yeah,
doesn't
yeah, yeah. No
distract
problem.
me?
Yeah, yeah. It's working
So
fine
just
now.
because it kicks off automatically, it
Yeah, yeah.
just distract me. Okay. So what are we doing? We're making just another script.
Sure.
Okay. What do we want to call it today?
Can you follow me just so that it is easy for you?
Follow you? Okay.
Yeah, I'm just sharing my screen to
So,
you. Yeah.
oh, this stupid thing that always opens. I'm sorry when I have a hard time
Okay.
finding the meeting that I'm in. No, not that. Bear with me. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing.
Okay.
All right, I stopped.
Yeah, let me share my screen to you.
Mhm.
Yeah. Can you see my screen?
It is coming in, yes.
Yeah.
And now oh, okay, now you have more showing. Okay.
Okay. So in this today's session, we learn custom command.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
like we use cy.get, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Cy dot something like cy dot get then dot find, then cy dot some element get, then dot click. Okay. So
Okay.
this all are inbuilt function.
Okay.
Okay, this all are inbuilt command, we can say. But in this session, we'll learn how to make custom command. Okay, it's very interesting,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what happened? Like if I share my screen to you,
Okay.
yeah. So in this case, you have to go to your support folder.
Okay. You want me to follow along?
Yeah, yeah. You just let's see here. I'm just going here to. I'm not writing here right
Ah,
now. So just check. See here.
support folder.
Yeah,
Okay.
support folder. Can you see the support folder?
It's underneath. Oh, it's right before video.
Yeah.
Should probably try to just search for it. Bear with me. Uh, yeah, I'm not. Oh, not quite seeing it. Is it under? It's a whole category support, and then
Yeah.
videos. Oh, here I see it. Okay, I expanded it. Thank you. So it says commands. Okay.
Yeah. So see, I have made some custom command here. Cypress.
Okay.
Yeah, C is capital. Cypress commands dot add.
Okay.
This is my custom command.
Okay.
Okay. Now what I'll do? Here the choice are there choice. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
the same, the same ID which we used, I've written here. So this is for atom 1. This is for atom 2. So what is the logic of writing this one? So logic, let me explain you the use of custom command. Like what is
Okay.
the use of custom command? Okay. And what are the advantages of
Okay.
using custom command? Okay. So basically, what happened? Suppose we have one logic here of each iterator, like we used just now, in the last session.
Mm-hmm.
Like, let me go to this blank attribute, which we have seen yesterday. So this is my logic here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll just copy this logic part here. This eat block, I'll just check it out. This one, I'll just copy this one, and this one is logic inside custom command. Okay, so what happened? I'm just putting this logic here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and in my JS file, I am just passing this value.
Mm-hmm.
So no need to write this again and again, this whole logic.
Right. So
Got
you're
it?
reusing it. It's being reused. That's why it's in the custom command, because you're
Yeah,
going to use it a lot.
exactly. Yeah, it's used a lot. Correct. So my task is to just pass the value. No need to write
Okay.
again and again. So I already made a custom command. Whenever I run this type of command, I just use that command name. So it will take all the logic into this command.
Mm-hmm.
So by using this, we like avoid making hardcore coding.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because already we have the logic of writing this one.
Mm-hmm.
So today we'll see how to make custom command. Okay, and in JS file, how to pass this value to custom command, we'll see in today's lecture.
Okay.
Got it? Any doubt you have so far, Dennis?
No. I mean, this seems like it applies well to where we're looking at this particular site because it seems to reuse it, you know.
Yeah, correct.
That yeah, I mean, it seems like it's built, at least for the two things I saw, that it's the same get, um, so to speak,
Hmm.
at the high order. So, mhm,
Right.
mhm,
So what I'll do first, I'll create one folder or one file. Okay. I'll
okay,
just use here the name as blank attribute. Same name I use, but I just put here custom command using custom command .js. Okay. Now inside this, okay. Also, like I'll just let you know how to use that custom command in our JS file.
mhm.
Okay. So when I open this add to atom, uh, see, can you see this it block?
Yeah.
I'm just passing the value here.
Mhm.
So in this case, I have used fixture. So I'll not use fixture right now because we haven't started the fixture. Correct?
We haven't started what? I'm sorry, the fixture?
Fixture. You know how the fixture works?
Fixture, right? You're
Yeah,
talking?
fixture.
Don't know really how fixtures work.
Yeah.
I mean, I've
So
used
yeah,
them.
okay. So today's we'll use custom command without using fixture. But after once we get the logic, we use fixture also. Okay.
Okay, so we're going to use a custom command today, no fixtures.
No fixture. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. In this case, you can see fixture here, but I'll not use fixture right now.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So in the fixture file, I just go this where is my okay. I just go down.
Is there a fixture folder?
Yeah, fixture folder is
Yes,
there.
there is.
This
Yeah, I see it now. Uh-huh.
this command.
Yeah, mine. Oh, you've got support. Okay, you're in support now,
Yeah.
command. Uh-huh. Do you want me to follow along or how do you want me to do this?
Yeah. First of all, I'll just write down. Okay.
You just
Uh,
want me to take notes for now to try
yeah,
to
yeah.
understand it?
Then see,
Okay.
I'll just write down the whole code. I'll run it.
Mhm.
Once you get past, then I'll tell you to write down and run it. So I'll take you the break also.
Okay.
Yeah. In that break, you can just write down that one. So you will get more time. I can understand easily.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So now what I'll do here, these all are my custom command. Okay. So I'll create one custom command. Hmm. I'll just put here some line.
Mhm.
Okay, I should just give you the comment.
Okay, make comment in front of
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
Yeah, didn't like that, so
yeah. Okay.
yeah,
So
oh, now it does.
yeah, it worked. Yeah.
Okay.
So in this case, I'll make one custom command like this. This is a code Cypress. Can you see this code here?
Mhm.
Cypress command Cypress.command.add. So you have to write like
Mhm.
this. Always whenever you are using custom command. So see this part. The C is capital here.
Uh,
C is
uh-huh.
capital. Cypress dot commands dot add.
Mhm.
Okay. So how can I write this one? C capital.
Okay.
Cypress dot commands. Cypress dot then dot add. This is the syntax. Now
Do you
inside,
need a capital C
yeah,
or
capital C.
no?
Yeah,
I
capital
meant
C.
a capital C on commands.
Yeah. Command also C capital, correct.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. C also command for, yeah. Okay. Now this, can you see the city name here?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the, we can say, custom command. This is the custom command. Okay. And now using the string here. So just give comma. Okay. And pass the string here. Whatever the string you are passing now, it will come here. Got it, Dennis?
Yes. I'm sorry, what?
Uh,
Yeah, you're passing the string
the
that's in
string.
there.
So it
Okay.
comes here.
Yeah.
So in this
Okay.
way, we can just pass in the value.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what I'll do, I'll create one custom command. Just go to your command here. Now, today is what? 9th of November. Okay. So I'm just telling,
9. Yeah. Okay. Yes. 11/9. Yes.
yeah, you can just write a
Uh-huh.
US wise like, yeah, as if you want.
That's okay. I.
Okay.
It's okay. I'm used to the dates the other way. My mother was from Europe, so.
Okay. Okay. So C capital
Uh-huh.
Cypress dot C capital again commands dot add. Now tell me the command name. What command name you want to have? Custom command.
Okay. Kind of forgot which one it was, but it was the we were copying a specific it block. I kind
Okay.
of forgot which one it was, but for the let me look at what it was. I can't remember if it was a select. Yeah, it was a selecting. So
Okay.
we would probably
Yeah,
want to
yeah.
call it selecting an
Good, good,
item or something.
good. Selecting you can good. Yeah. I'm just passing this value here. Can you see this one? Now we are here. Now we use
Yeah, I
callback.
can see.
Yeah. Now we use callback function here. We use callback function here.
Okay.
Okay. So
Call
the
the function.
S is small here.
Mhm.
Selecting,
Make it small.
or
Okay.
if you want, you can just use a capital. So selecting, I'm using this one. Okay. Now I go here. I just go to my element here. Okay. So first go to your, yeah, I'll take this line. Watches for man.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'll just copy this one. Go to my command.js. I'll just go down. I'll just put here. Okay, now again I go. Then I choose this one. Click button. This logic I am putting
Mhm.
Control C. Go to command.js. Okay. Then I'm going to
Okay.
blank.attribute. Now whole logic. I'm copying this one till here. Till here. Okay. Control C. Go to command. Just pasting here. Okay. So all the logic which I have made yesterday, I put in this custom command without using describe or it.
So you had to take the two previous it gets,
Yeah,
and then you took everything within it other the last it.
exactly. But here in this case, I do not take describe and it block.
Right. You don't take no, right. No describe or it in custom command. That's yeah.
Got it?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So in that case, like if you see here,
Hmm.
I'm passing the value here like a for instance. Okay. So
Hmm.
that name, whichever city name I'm passing here, it comes here.
Hmm.
I'm comparing now.
Okay.
Yeah, it will come here only. So let me see. Let me explain you like here I'm passing the value name here. Okay, now this name comes here includes instead of analog. I just copy this one. Okay, this string I'll
Okay.
copy.
Hmm.
Control X. I'll just put in my notepad. Okay, this string I want to pass. Okay, I'll remove this double quote. I just write on your name here because I'm passing this name and
Okay. I
it comes
see.
here. It comes here.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
so now the watches for man should be here. Okay, I'm just passing this name here only. Got it?
Hmm.
Okay, now what I'll do if I open this one adding to atom, so you can see first I am writing this one. This is my it block describe, then this one is it block. Okay, this one is my custom command.
Okay.
Got it? So what I'll do, wait a minute, huh? Now I'll just copy this line. I'll just copy all the line here.
Okay.
Control C. Go to blank attribute. I paste here. Now in this case I remove this fixture right now because I don't want fixture right now.
Hmm.
Now this is my it block and describe. So here I'm going amazon.in and my custom command is selecting.
Hmm.
Okay, as of now I don't want this add to atom now right now. I just want to
Hmm.
check it out that selecting or not, and in this case I'm passing the string. Go to your notepad and copy this copy this one analog man,
Mhm.
and in double quote you just pass. Okay. If you see here, if I go to command.js file and let me check selecting, if I take as capital here also, if I take the as capital, yeah. Now let me check it is the analog man's watch getting passed or not. Okay, again it's showing like this three dot.
Mhm.
Selecting may not exist on type CY and CY event mirror. If I go to this,
Is that a reserved word? I don't know.
yeah, 1 second. If I choose, let me check here. What I'll do, instead of selecting, if I mention like this, select watch.
Yeah, because maybe it doesn't like the word select. It thinks it's a
Yeah,
reserved word.
yeah, maybe it's a keyword something. If I take select watch here, if I go to my this blank attribute,
Blank attribute.
now instead of selecting, if I just write down here select watch, okay, makes sense.
Yes.
Yeah, now in this case what I'll do, I just run this one and let me check what happened. Blank attribute with command, I just run this one. I just blank, I stop this one. Yeah, I just stop this one. This one, hide this one. Just click here, terminal, new terminal, npx Cypress open, enter. A2A testing.
Uh-huh.
Start E2A testing. Now I go to that blank custom command. Yeah. Where's that blank custom? Yeah, this one. If I run this one, see what happened. it taking the value. Watches for man. It's working. Hello, Dennis.
Okay. Yes. Hi. Yes. I
Yeah,
see.
it's working.
Excuse me. Yeah, I had to sneeze actually. Oh.
Now it's more handy, you can create your own
Mhm.
custom command.
Mhm. It's a little slow. I see.
Yes, little bit slow, yeah. But our desk is got fast.
Mhm. Right.
Yeah, good.
Page load.
Yeah, it's still loading.
Oh.
Yeah, it's exceptional handling. Let me.
Need to get that.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
Okay.
हेलो हाँ सॉरी ठीक है चलेगा ओके डन yeah it's working fine but here when we get the one if we go down okay so it's telling us like all style sheets and scripts are done downloading when this load even occurs Cypress will continue running command okay so okay so as if now if I go down this cvi.log I don't want as if now
Oh, you don't want the log? Does the log take time?
yeah it's
It
taking
causes a
time
delay.
yeah it's delay yeah so I can also remove this one okay now that will run once again Again, telling us to waiting for new page to load.
Okay, yeah.
So see, my test case got passed here. Hello, Dennis.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Well, I see, I can't read it. Something was canceled? I mean, oh, okay, you're still loading the page.
yeah, it's
Okay.
still loading the XHR, like it's API, no?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's an exceptional handling.
I don't know why I was thinking it was over and the thing's still spinning. I don't know. But yeah, it's still um mhm. Hmm. It might time out.
It's a API, something XHR get cancelled.
Yeah.
It's a API, something happened, yeah. But your test case got passed.
Mm-hmm. Hmm.
In this case, if I suppose if I use some assertion,
Mm-hmm.
go to window. In this custom command or else this if I use here dot should be dot visible.
Okay.
So let me check what happened if I use this one assertion.
Mm-hmm. Where I live, the yard work, I hope, just moved away. It
Mhm.
was loud. Sorry, I hope you didn't hear it, but I think it just moved away from me. I
Okay,
hope.
okay, what's that?
They were mowing the lawn, the
Okay,
grass. There are people outside doing the work on the yard or
okay,
on
okay,
the grounds. Yeah, I live in a townhome, and so it's noisy whenever they do this.
okay,
Yeah, but I think they moved away from my place
okay,
mostly.
okay.
Yesterday, Steve, who he's my partner, he told me he heard somebody on top of the roof, and I'm like, really?
Okay.
Yeah, that's what happens when you live in these buildings.
Okay.
Anyway, yeah. Well, we recently had a lot of wind here, so they might have been inspecting the roof.
Okay, roof. Okay.
Yeah, because there was an awful lot of wind in our area on last weekend.
Okay. Which area? Like in US?
Um, Chicago area, Chicago,
Chicago.
Illinois.
Oh,
Yeah,
Illinois. Yeah. Okay. That's great.
yeah, Midwest, big Midwestern United States
Yeah,
city.
it's western near to I think Hollywood, correct? Hollywood is near to you,
No, we're
California.
not near. No, Hollywood's on the West Coast. We're right in the middle of the country by the Great Lakes.
Okay, Great Lakes. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, we're right by the Great Lakes. And kind of north.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not close to Hollywood.
Okay. Okay.
Closer to New York.
Okay. Closer to New York. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's what we're what's called in the Midwestern United States. And when
Okay.
you hear people speak English, when they speak a certain way, it's a Midwestern accent. Where they feel like there's not much accent in the United States, it's a Midwestern. I speak with a little bit of a Midwestern, but somewhat of a Western slash Southern. So,
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah,
Even though in India
yeah.
also, like in every 100 kilometer, we our accent got changed.
Hmm.
Yeah. In every part of world, like if you go 100 kilometer away, you will feel something new
Yeah,
accent. You will get. Yeah.
yeah.
So
So Chicago's a nice area. It's a very large area, but it's
okay.
nice.
Mhm.
Yeah. Pretty lakes and nice forests.
Oh,
So,
great.
and rivers. Mm.
Okay. So you born and brought up in US only, correct?
Yes, I was born in the United States. My mother was from Germany, though. My father
Oh,
was in the United States military in World War II. So
okay.
that's a very long time ago. World War II. That
Okay.
was the late 1930s to the mid 1940s.
Okay.
Yeah, my
Uh,
father was born. He's not no longer alive. He was born in 1919.
oh, 1919. Oh, great. At the time of World War First.
I'm sorry.
At the time of World War First, your father was.
Yes, he was toward the end of World War One,
Yeah.
and toward the end of the first pandemic, the 1918 pandemic,
Okay.
which was the same, or they think it was the same as what we just went through.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah. All right,
Pandemic.
we got an error still.
Yeah, yeah. So after 100 years, we get the pandemic again in the form of COVID.
Hmm. It was very. They don't know what the cause, but it was like a COVID, and it hit. It killed more people than in World War One. It was killing a lot of people. It killed more people in Europe, but it killed a lot of people in the US too. And it was
Okay.
people who were in like 18 to 40. It was a younger group of people it was killing.
Okay.
It was very strange. They still
Yeah.
don't know. They think it originated in Kansas in the United States with large poultry farms, but they do believe it originated in the United States.
Okay.
Yeah, people like to blame other countries, but but what carried it around was the war. People back in, travel, international travel.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the reason. Yeah. So, Dennis, yeah, in this case, see, I put the assertion, okay? So it
Hmm.
works fine. And what you see the red color, like it's a kind of,
Uh-huh.
APIs. Yeah, it's that API that is not loading, that's the result it's giving. Otherwise, our test case got passed.
Okay. So what's the X and the one though? So I mean, when I look at the header of this page, specs, I see a check green, but then I also see an X1.
Yeah, this one gives assertions.
Yeah. So when I'm looking at the test results though, when you look at what's passed, where
Hmm.
it says specs, there's a check, but then there's an X and a 1. So, yeah. So, I mean, technically it failed, but the visible helped pass it.
Uh, Technically it passed, because
Technically it passed.
yeah,
Okay.
because the result which we
Okay.
want it getting displayed here.
Yeah.
Even though
Okay.
we put the assertion here and you
Hmm.
can see green color, so it's working fine.
Could you pay on the right hand side where it has a 12.99 and all that? Can you page up, or is that the way the page looks now?
No, once again, this one page.
Was this added into the cart? You didn't go. This didn't go as far as putting it in a cart,
No,
right?
I,
It
I
just
didn't go there. Yeah,
right.
yeah. Let me.
Yeah.
Yeah, go
Okay.
ahead. Run again once again.
It's all right. I mean, I was just
Yeah,
making sure I understood where it was in the app
Mhm.
in Amazon.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So, like what I'll do here in this case,
Uh-huh.
I just open this Amazon Watches for a Man.
Uh-huh.
I select a different string,
Mhm.
and let me check what happened now. Now, if I want to take, is there any string here like analog? This is a string, man's dial yellow rubber band. If I right click, now in this case, where is that one? Let me check here.
Maybe it's not a bestseller. That's interesting.
Yeah, let me. Yeah, man's black dial. Yeah, I just copy this one.
Okay.
Control C.
Men's black dial,
Yeah.
yellow rubber
Yeah.
band,
Now, instead,
Ronda
yeah,
Z60 watch. Okay.
instead of
Yeah.
this
And
analog,
maybe you don't, yeah, you're getting a little scratchy, your voice. But you probably don't need everything, right?
yeah,
That was in
exactly.
that string.
Yeah,
You probably just need to make sure it goes to where it would be unique, probably, I'm guessing.
exactly. Same.
I mean, maybe to be safe, you put everything in there, but
Yeah, correct.
oh my. I'm gonna lean back. I'm hearing scratchiness.
Okay.
It's taking a little bit for the page to come in.
Yeah, it's so I think. Wait a minute. Let me check.
Yeah, I'm hearing feedback. Maybe we should leave and come back, or
Yeah, we can do that one. Correct. There is. Can we take a break of at least half an hour? Hello.
hello, can you hear me okay?
Yeah. This one saying what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's just that I'm hearing kind of like feedback on your end. So I'm thinking we may want to, you're going to log off. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I will, I guess, why don't you log off and I'll stay on because usually it's been okay. Yeah. 10 minutes or whatever you're going to say. Oh, half an hour? Okay. I'll try to get it in the command. Okay. All right. Half an hour is about 10 o'clock my time,
Yeah.
10 a.m. CST. Yes. Yeah, 10 a.m. I should write back to you. Okay. 10 a.m.
Thanks.
Can't spell. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. I
Fine.
will leave then, and then
Yeah,
I'll
sure.
be back at 10. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.